Are you ready for calendar time? Good! Then sing with me.
Sunday, Monday, what comes next? Tuesday, Wednesday, you know the rest. Thursday and Friday, it's nearly the end until Saturday, start of the weekend. Yeah! In January and February, we're starting the year. March and April, spring is here. Now it's May and June and we're having fun. July and August, we're soaking up the sun. Autumn breeze in September and October too. November, remember thankfulness, and December. The year is through. It's calendar time.
Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. Today is somebody's birthday. Today is Sarah's birthday. Sarah lives in Colorado. Let's sing happy birthday to Sarah. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarah. I hope you have a wonderful day. Do you know what yesterday was? Yesterday was Sunday, March 21st, 2021. The day before yesterday was the first day of spring. It's not winter anymore. It's spring. Our seasons have changed. We're going to talk more about that at the end of calendar time. Do you know what tomorrow will be? Tomorrow will be Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. Let's count down from 22 together. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Let's count up from 22 together. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Today's number is the number 22. It's the 22nd day of March. Is 22 an odd or an even number? Remember, it's a two-digit number, so we need to look at the last digit, which is a 2. Let's see if 2 is odd or even. Let's say our rhyme. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. I love even numbers. They're great. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I like odd numbers all the time. Did you hear the number 2? Is 2 odd or even? You're right. 2 is an even number. That means that 22 is also even. What's 1 less than 22? 22 minus 1. If we're looking at our hundreds chart, we need to look that way. 1 less than 22 is 21. And 1 more than 22? That's 22 plus 1. We need to look that way. 22 plus 1 is 23. What's 10 less than 22? That's 22 minus 10. We need to look up. 10 less than 22 is 12. And 10 more than 22? 22 plus 10? Looking down on the hundreds chart, 32. Remember, we can keep adding tens if we want to, starting at 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72. We could just keep on adding tens by going down on the hundreds chart. Thanks for doing the hundreds chart with me today. Let's make 22 with change. What type of coin would you like to use? We could use nickels worth 5. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's too much. We'll need to put a nickel back. 5, 10, 15, 20. We're at 20. What type of coin could we use next? Pennies. How many cents are pennies worth? 1 cent. Let's start at 20 and count by ones. 20, 21, 22. 4 nickels, 2 pennies makes 22 cents. Could we use less coins? We could. Could we use a quarter? A quarter's worth 25. No, a quarter would be too much. What about dimes? Could we use dimes worth 10? Yes, we can. We could use dimes. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. Too much again. We'll need to put a dime back. 10, 20, 2 dimes. Now we'll need to use pennies again. Let's start at 20 and count by ones. 20, 21, 22. We've made 22 cents 2 ways. First with 4 nickels and 2 pennies, then with 2 dimes and 2 pennies. That makes sense. The 2 pennies are the same, but every dime is worth 2 nickels. Nickels worth 5, 5, 10, 2 nickels the same as 1 dime. What's the weather like where you are? We're having a sunny day. I like it when the sun is out and shining. Let's add sunny to our weather pictograph. Let's draw another sun above sunny. This is our 8th sunny day of calendar time. We've also had 1 rainy day, 1 cloudy day, 2 partly cloudy days, 3 windy days, and 8 snowy days. We've had the same amount of snowy and sunny days of weather during calendar time. We've had the most of sunny and snowy weather. Are you ready to add to our doodle bug? 61 days of calendar time. Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Let's count by 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's count by 25s. 25, 50. Let's add another straw. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10 straws, 6 tens, and 1 straw all by itself. 1 group of 1, 1 ones. 6 tens, 1 ones makes 61. 61 straws for 61 days of calendar time. Do you remember that I said we were going to talk a little bit more about spring? On March 20th, the first day of spring, something happened in space. The spring or March equinox is when the sun crosses the equator line heading north in the sky. This is the start of spring for the northern half of the globe. After March 20, the northern hemisphere receives more hours of daylight and warmer temperatures. In the southern hemisphere, it's the opposite. March equinox is the start of autumn or fall. March 20th was the first day of spring for the northern hemisphere. Where I live is the northern hemisphere, and it's spring here. But it's not like that for everyone. Some people live in the southern hemisphere. That means that their seasons are opposite of mine. In the southern hemisphere, March 20 was the first day of autumn or fall. Here in the northern hemisphere, we just finished the season of winter. But in the southern hemisphere, they just finished the season of summer. It's opposite. Do you ever do opposites? Things that are backwards? Sometimes that can be fun, learning about opposites. I wonder if today, Monday, March 22nd, 2021, you can find some opposites.
Go check the calendar and you can say what month